Mallory's Mission Part 4. Target Grandma. Location on the phone. When I get home from school, I don't even stop for a snack. I go straight to the phone and dial Grandma's number. When she answers, I tell her right away about the special celebration I have planned. Grandma, I decided to celebrate my birth month this year. And before Grandma has a chance to say anything, my birth month plans start spilling out of my mouth like chocolate chips falling from an open bag. I'm having a cake a week, and Mary Ann might come to visit, and I'm having a party, I tell her. Slow down, says Grandma. But once I get started, it's hard to slow down. Even though I really wanted to have a surprise party, I'm having a skating party, and I know you live a long way away, but I wanted to know if you can come to my party. Grandma sighs into the phone. Honeybee, I do live a long way away, but I'm planning to send you something special for your birthday this year. I smile into the phone. Can you give me a hint about what you're sending? Grandma laughs. No hints, but I think you'll like it. Knowing Grandma, I'm sure I will. I tell Grandma goodbye, then I head to my room. There's still one very important person that needs to know about my birth month celebration. Mallory's Mission, Part 5. Target, my best friend, Mary Ann. Location, my desk in my room. Dear Mary Ann, I have something important to tell you. I'm celebrating my birth month this year. I know that's not something we've done before, but I decided to do things differently this year. If you're wondering why, I'll tell you. Being 8 was my worst year ever. If I had to rate it, I'd give it a big thumbs down. Moving and leaving you was the worst part. I want to make 9 the best year ever, so I'm planning to start it off with the best ever celebration. Even though Mom said no to lots of ways that I want to celebrate, like getting my ears pierced, she said I have to wait until I'm 12, and having a surprise party, she already planned a skating party. She said yes to you coming to visit on my birthday. I hope your mom says you can come. Write me as soon as you know if you are coming. Biggest, hugest hugs and kisses ever, Mallory. P.S. Here's something Mom said yes to. A cake a week for my birth month. This Saturday I'm having my first cake, chocolate with sprinkles. It will be great except for one thing. No you. Boo-hoo. I finish my letter and stick it in an envelope. Max, Joey, Winnie, Pamela, Grandma, and Mary Ann all know about my special celebration. Now I feel like my birth month can begin. I put my hands behind my head and my feet on my desk, like I've seen detectives do on TV when they crack a case. Cheeseburger, I say to my cat, mission accomplished. Saturday. Achoo! That makes 67 times Mama sneezed since she woke up this morning. I walk into the den with a box of tissues. Achoo! 68. I hand Mom the box. Mom looks at me. At least she tries to look at me, but her eyes are all puffy and swollen from coughing and sneezing.
Let's pause here and make a prediction. How do you infer Mom being sick is going to affect Mallory's celebration?